We're hitting.
Oh no, no ears. Hello there. Welcome to. This is not over. Okay, we're filming these out of order. This is the start. Hello there. Welcome to Little Decennial Vlog, folks. I know, and I'm one heck of a vlogger if I do say so myself. We're here at Tusker House for breakfast. We did just eat, but well, we'll show you that now.
I'm so
Stay tuned for Blizzard Beach after this, though.
I'm so bored.
It's okay. Pop juice. Oh, they also gave us a little signature thing. Very cute. I've got a Mickey waffle, Simba waffle, egg, zebra coffee cake, some bread, shaksura, something like that, chicken curry, some fruit, a whole bunch of meats, like a zebra twist, and like a guava pastry. Bacon! It's like, hi Donald!
I love your Christmas stuff on your hat. It's so pretty. That looks so good.
Perfect. It looks great.
Thank you so much, Donald.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. GJ got us a thing of butter. We got more passion. Not too syrup.
Mickey waffle.
He's depending how much butter. Comment down below how many butter balls you want. Also, the zebra twist was so good. Oh my god. What else? I don't remember what was here. I don't know. Everything's good. Hi Daisy.
I love all your Christmas stuff. I love the hat. I love the little I wanted to match you. Try to get the green. Yeah, perfect. That's a good question. I think I found no wait, I did wipe it here. I walked in here. Yes, like in the restaurant. You know, like one of the stores. You gotta get some too. Okay. You take a picture? Okay.
Beautiful. I got
You
you.
should definitely go get some. Perfect. Daisy.
Thank you so much. Aww. It's the parade time.
I thought Mickey was coming, so I came back.
Oh.
I got through
Yeah, it's bad. I mostly finished my 2 plates, so I need to go grab more. Okay, I got another plate. I got the African Malva bread pudding, another Mickey waffle, another guava pastry, 2 more of the twists, zebra twist, because I think that's my favorite thing here, and the coffee cake again.
I got bacon.
And I got bacon. Yep. Okay.
I love it. Oh my gosh, the Christmas
That's
song.
good.
Yes.
I love it. Here's the other hat. Oh, you have it like your dad.
That's cute.
I love it. It's great. It's great. You did great. You did amazing dressing for the holidays. You look amazing. You look great as always. Did you know this? Oh, I wanted to wear green to match because I felt right. To like, try to match you guys. Yeah. Exactly. It feels like very supportive. So very supportive. I love your skin. They're very, you always have them. They're, you know, they're always there. I don't always have these on. Oh, now you don't have them.
Oh no, no ears.
What happened in here? Get a picture together.
Oh. Oh, very cute.
Well, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm so glad we get to talk to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I love your bag. Very stylish. Thank you. I've been loving everyone's festive like outfits too. I love it. What's a PNT? That's true.
Ah.
Well, that's fair. Especially how hot it was. Well, it's kind of a hot one, yeah. But do you have, yeah, what do you have?
You have podges in there?
Or is it water?
You can't tell us.
I would fill it up with this. Let me just get it done so that no
Oh, very nice. I got a bunch, yeah. Thank you so much. Sure, yeah. Yeah, I just pushed the thing on the video.
Perfect.
There you go. Let me get everyone in here. Awesome. Yay. Thank you so much, Mickey. Yes, thank you for coming back. We appreciate it. Bye. So sweet.
Apologies.
Refreshing.
That's a Mickey's canteen.
It is.
More passion. More passion. More energy. Energy. More footwork. More footwork.
Really full now.
Very full.
I thought I
Yeah.
could eat more, but I don't think I can. It's been a lot. It's been. Have you eaten well today? Good. You were cooking it all?
Oh.
That was amazing.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh, wow.
Well, this was really good.
What's
You
your
did a great
favorite
job.
thing?
Oh yeah, what's your favorite?
All of it?
See, I think this is my favorite. I think this juice is my favorite. It's so good. If I could buy this separately, it would not be good for my wallet. It would not be good at all.
Yeah.
Yep, nope.
Don't tell anyone, but Mickey has a whole canteen of it.
Yeah, Mickey, that's
Yeah.
all that's in his canteen he's carrying.
Yeah.
Look at this. So you gotta get one of those. You gotta get one of those.
It's a secret.
Yeah, he told us not to tell you, so.
I think you need to get one of those and then you can do the same thing. You deserve it. See ya. Thank you.
We told Donald.
So he might ask.
We should get one too. You should
Yeah.
get his
So he
own.
might ask you. He might ask you when you got yours. We may
Don't let
go-
him. Yeah, no, don't let him steal it. Yeah.
Don't share. He can get his own. He can get his own. Don't share.
How'd you like it? This is filmed 2 seconds after the intro.
It was so good.
Incredibly
Very, very
right
good.
now. Oh my
You know what's good?
Thank you for sponsoring this video, Hannah.
Tater tots
We appreciate
and
you.
noodles together.
Hannah paid for all of it by herself.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
It was very good.
Oh my gosh, I think I'm literally having stomach pain.
Well, okay.
It was really good.
It
Episode
was
4
really,
right
really
now,
good.
though.
What was your favorite thing? Everyone say that.
Frog juice.
Yeah.
Juice. I think mine was the zebra twist. I had like 3 of those.
That was good.
Yeah.
It was really good. Like it was like so sweet. I only had one.
I just have a sweet tooth. It's a problem. So.
Go in.
Oh.
I like had a sweet tooth, and then I had too much sweet, and then I had a savory tooth.
Okay.
The savory food.
Yes.
It feels like everything's like slowly expanding
Wait,
in my
no.
stomach.
My favorite thing was half a butterball.
We're off to a water park after an all-you-can-eat
I'm
breakfast
not.
buffet. Well,
Yeah,
I don't know. I've been debating. I was never going.
she was invited. So.
I was invited. I just think I'd rather hang out here. I'm not a big water park person, especially right now. I don't know. I am considering. I don't know if I want to come walk around or not. They did invite me to come walk around, but that means I have to get there.
Take a nap on the
Take a
beach
bus
in your
back.
jeans.
Well, we'll drive you there, so it won't take that long.
Yeah,
I know, but still, I'm tired.
True.
we'll see.
Sleep on the
I
bus.
could-
What do you think about that?
Do you
I
have
did.
words? She's falling asleep.
I think the only thing is I really don't want to walk around anywhere.
Well, we have to walk to the front of the park at least.
I feel like
Okay, we're done. We're waiting to see if the Merry Menagerie come out. Oh. Okay. Let's film a podcast. Oh, okay. Hello. This is fun. Oh.
no one had it with a sack.
She's just, Hannah's just rocking back and forth. Hannah got the penguin. Oh.
Oh, she is. She's a brown mama.
Wow.
Oh, she got hugs, of course.
Oh.
I know, it's like the best mom ever.
She is. I promise you, she is.
You are, you have to be.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, Savannah and s'mores.
Oh, is that your baby? Oh, precious.
Oh.
Oh, this is beautiful.
I gotcha. Ah, perfect. Oh, that's so. Oh. It's a whole family reunion over here.
Yeah, they are.
Where are they going? It's a parade! Oh my gosh. Oh.
I'm also very sleepy together. You can take a nap, okay? Take a nap. Okay, I'll take a nap.
Oh. That's so cute.
You're so cute. Oh, you're precious.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Bye, Hannah.
I don't think I can make it to Blizzard Beach.
We'll never see you again.
You see me next week?
Maybe.
We always do the bridge. Bonka, bonka, bonka. It's so pretty. Oh. Tater tot. We're on the trail. We just made it into Blizzard Beach and it's snowing. It's snowing already. Oh, I just got hit with it. This is cute. Ah, look at this. You want to be on the sled? TJ's sledding.
I'm slaying.
Buy now, slay later. No, you're slaying now, buying later. Yes. That's so cute. I love that. Ah, I love the classic feel and the old timiness of it all, and the details are everywhere. This is my first time ever at Blizzard Beach. I think it's GJ's too. Yes.
Yeah.
So now it's in every Walt Disney World park. Crazy. It took so long, but I'm here. Look at them. They're all melting. Oh no. Poor family. There's Summit Plummet. We're gonna go see the frozen area. Oh, there's a lazy river. We saw some of the Frozen characters. I'll insert the
And
pictures.
Santa.
And Santa. We didn't really stop to say hi to Santa,
Yeah,
take a
well, I
video
said
pictures
hi.
or anything. We said hi, yeah. I'll insert some of the Frozen pictures here.
Noah said doo-doo.
I didn't say anything. Return of the goggles and the pouch.
And the hat.
And the hat. There's some cool stuff around. I'm excited to explore. I really don't know that much about this park. We'll see. We've got, oh, that's me. There's Summit Plummet and the ski lift. I think that's so cool. Oh, and then all the ski stuff, very cool. Yeah, the wave pool's very nice as well. Nice view of Summit Plummet. There's icicles and screaming.
Make sure one of them follow.
I dare you. Oh! We're a little confused, but we're doing the red slope.
Mountain Gutsmore.
Okay.
Mountain Gutsmore.
Gutsmore? Gosh. What did it actually say? Let's make sure we get the correct name first. I did the stair stepper, and those stairs were bad. Which one are we doing? We're on the open raft. Oh my. There's a lot of stairs, so this should be pretty long. Okay. Wow, that's pretty. It's very smooth. Smoother than anything at Typhoon Lagoon. Nice and relaxing. Oh, oh, oh.
Fun.
I did not. We're in a cave. It's kind of dark. I'm hearing splashes. That's the lazy river there. Cool. Update, we're on the ski lift. We also just saw Emma from All Ears. We got to say hi to her.
Yeah.
Very fun. We're bouncing up and down. It's a little concerning. I'm sure we're fine. Do not swing or bounce. We're not trying to.
We're just sitting. I haven't moved.
Yeah, all the details. Yeah, we're trying to see if we end up in the background of the All Ears video, but I don't think we're going to. Hi, Emma. Oh, this is cool. See everything. Doing Teamboat Springs Family Raft Ride. Teamboat Springs Family Raft Ride. Backup storm generator. Why do we need a storm generator? Excuse me? The backside of Everest. Here we go. You're backwards. Oh, it's actually spinning. Maybe. Woo. Oh. Oh, we're under the checkpoint. It's very large. I will say what I like initially about this is that like the ski lift takes you up to a really high point so you don't have to climb so many stairs.
Yeah.
And then everything can be really long because you're so high up. Well. Yeah, I feel like we're just doing the same two turns over and over again. But it's a nice couple turns. And clearly it's scary to some people. Oh, that's the end. We made it back up to the top. Very pretty. There's an observation deck and everything. We're at the very top now. Very slay. It's a pretty park. Not gonna lie, we're very confused. We found where we were earlier after we climbed all those stairs, and apparently we didn't have to climb them because it connects to this. I don't know what's going on. I guess we'll see. We're doing the snowstormers. They're like mat slides.
We just did snowstorms or some snowstorm something.
You literally get on a sled and hold two handles so I couldn't
You lay on your stomach.
It's weird, but it was really cool. But then at the end, like I face planted and like basically did a flip. It was not fun, but cool though. Do you have them to go? We want them.
We're too full.
Yeah, next time. We'll be back. Probably next year. We'll be back. We were crazy and now we're lazy. GJ laughed at me. many British people? What is it with British people in water parks?
I mean,
They're everywhere.
it's not warm in London.
Well,
Because every British place in London.
that's true. England is my city.
London is my country.
So true. DJ placed a flower on my
No,
knee.
it was already on there.
I don't believe you. Okay.
Bye.
Ice skater landing. I love ice skater. I think that name is so clever. There's nice drawings.
It's like fun.
I wonder what like they mean. I'm sure they mean something.
Yeah, here's a story.
Comment down below if you know what the story is. Joe Rody, where are you? Actually, I don't think you did this. I just love you. But also, where are you? Just in general. We're going into Joe Slow Snow. That's it. Intense. Oh my. Joe Slow Snow Co. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Well, that's cute. I love that. It's Flamingo Crossing. Slick. The mittens are dripping. That's kind of gross, not gonna lie. It's Ice Skater's house! Oh, is that him sneezing?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, I didn't realize what was happening. That's really cold. Why
my
is
God.
it so cold?
It's ice snot.
Okay. Bless you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Uh-oh. This could be bad for me. You just gonna hold me here? Well, okay. Comment down below who got the bigger piece of the leaf.
Noah.
Also, we saw someone with the first visit, like, temporary tattoo. They don't do, like, buttons here because you can't wear a button in the water.
I guess they have waterproof tattoos.
It's really cool. I looked it up and they're selling them on eBay. But they're really cool.
Wish we had known if we could have gotten one.
Yeah, it was our first visit, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine.
Simba.
Oh. That felt weird.
Well, we are in the wave pool. Comment
I'll hold you up.
down below if you like the wave pool.
Man, now he can stay above the water.
It's okay. We got to FaceTime people.
Yeah.
It was fun. Taylor and Hannah both answered. Shout out to them. I'll insert like a picture or a video here. I don't know exactly what I have, but I'll put it here. The waves aren't as big as Typhoon Lagoon.
But they're constant.
They don't end. And you can still go deep enough to where they can bother you. So.
Speed bounce, speed bounce. Like we're on the bridge.
They're over and over.
You like keep going underwater. You're so short.
Am not.
Hello.
Update, they're not continuous apparently. They stopped.
Well,
My watch is buzzing.
It was like that.
Hello?
Hello.
I don't know.
Who is it?
Nothing happened. It just buzzed.
Buzz Lightyear.
Okay. We're gonna see the waterfall. This is fun. Comment down below if you think this is fun. The waves are back and we're going side to side. I don't really know what's happening, but fun.
We're chained to the rhythm side to side.
Uh-huh. We're doing the purple slope. It's like a racing one.
I'm gonna win.
Very fun. Maybe, we'll see.
I'm gonna
We'll
win.
see. Comment down below who you think's gonna win. Here we go. Oh my. Oh wow. Oh wow. That double dipper was really fun.
Yeah, it was really intense. Like, there was
Yeah.
like a big airtime moment.
I think you can tell, like, I was not expecting that from what I was saying in the slide.
I don't remember what I said.
I just freaked out. Nothing bad, but
Also, friendly PSA, a la Mammoth Club. Listen to cast members because
Please.
that ride like has instructions and like a little kind of not really that complicated, but I guess complicated loading procedure, and no one was listening. People were, like going
I'm
up
getting
to, like,
pushed by a jet.
the load
Yeah.
way too early, and like people weren't moving when they were supposed to, and even though she was announcing it like in person and over a speaker.
Yeah. And
was
you
just
see it happen three
yeah,
times
you
in
see
front
it
of you too,
happen
so
3 or
it's
4
not like
times
it's
for you.
complicated.
So just listen to cast members,
Yes, please. Just do that.
especially at a water park, which is or like on attractions, which are dangerous
Yeah.
if you don't do it correctly.
It was definitely intense. We have no idea who won. Hopefully I can figure it out from like the numbers, but I might not be able to. I guess comment down below who you think won if I can't figure it
Yeah,
out.
they had the timer at the end, but mine never stopped.
Yeah,
I
it wasn't.
turned around to
It
look.
wasn't working.
I think I might have won, but also like I was like so focused on myself
Yeah.
that I didn't like look over.
I feel like it's not a drastic difference, anyways. So I don't know. I love this. We found Santa Stitch on the way out. A star and a Snowgie and a Piglet. Oh, Tigger.
December.
Oh. I don't think that's Taylor's version though.
Well,
We made it. I knew we would. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. What should we ask them to comment?
based on the videos, or if you've been here, do you like Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon better? I feel like I probably asked that for our first trip or something, but
I think you did, but now that you've seen both,
Yeah.
maybe if you watch the other one.
I
But
can answer now
Yeah.
that I've been to
What's
both.
your thought?
I like Typhoon Lagoon better.
I do
It has
too.
better rides. It feels. I don't like Typhoon Lagoon. I feel like I picked up like the layout like that like day of.
Yeah.
Like this one, I feel like I just still don't understand where everything
yeah,
is.
we just kept getting lost. There's stuff that I appreciate about it, like it's that way because everything is on the top of like a hill, so that you can just ski lift up. You don't have to climb any stairs, and like they can push all the things up. You don't have to carry any tubes with you, which I appreciate. But it made it easier to follow for Typhoon. It felt more small scale, but like in a way that because it was more small scale, they could make it more detailed, which I liked.
Yeah.
I
feel
so
like
I agree
also
too.
the rides
Yeah.
at Typhoon were better overall. Like
I'd say that too. I
nothing
mean, we
here
haven't done them all
compares to
yet,
Tusker.
but yeah, from what we've done so far, I would say that as well. Yeah, but I'm still not mad at it. I really like this
yeah,
park
it's
too.
really nice.
And this
I
is,
just-
I've never been here. This is
my
the last one I've never
ranking
been to.
goes Volcano Bay, Typhoon Lagoon, Blizzard Beach.
Controversial, but Typhoon Lagoon, Volcano Bay, Blizzard Beach. Okay, comment down below, yeah, what you prefer, and if you want to include Volcano Bay in your ranking too, go for it. Yeah, but thank you, do all those things that I already said, and thank you for watching. Goodbye! Okay, Frida Kahlo. Cute. This video is brought to you by the Taylor Broadcasting System.